Hello YouTube and welcome to lesson 94 of the Microsoft Word tutorial series, and today we're going to look at how to use the dictation feature inside of Microsoft Word. So with the update of the new Microsoft Word Office 365, you actually get to dictate what you say in Microsoft Word directly. So for that you need to be signed in, as I am right now, and over here you can see that on the home tab there's an option for dictate. So this is a recent feature and it actually helps quite a bit because you can actually type it. So to use it, it is quite easy. Simply press on it and then you can start typing. So you can see that whatever I'm saying is actually being typed right there. So it is not perfect yet, but it does save a lot of time for you on typing itself. So now you can see that this is how it works. So I'm gonna stop this out, and to stop it simply press on this icon right here and it stops right there. So I'm gonna dictate it out. So you can learn a lot of multimedia tools from TutorTube YouTube channel. So be sure to like, comment, share and subscribe. So you can see that now this is how it types it out. So you got to like let's say make some corrections, so you can learn a lot of multimedia tools. So you can see that the things are getting complicated here, so you got to practice out a bit as well. So it depends on your pronunciation as well. So you can see that this feature is pretty handy and it really helps you to type faster. So hope you guys learned something as always, and as always please like, comment, share and subscribe.